Amber Fort, 450 years old. Jaipur city, less than 300 years old. The shooting of the Mughal Azam made there. 2400 never eaten. Dresses of the queen very heavy, 9 kg. Makeup, 7 kg ornament, gold and silver. 4 very big size. The queen never walked, always in the wheelchair. Look like Persian type carpet design. Persian type carpet design. Room number first. He was come to the secret passage into the room. Others, 11 queens, didn't know where is king, otherwise jealousy. King of Amir Mansin first, he had officially 12 wives. So these are the 12 separate palaces for each wife. Room and makeup room made of same size. But otherwise, all the secret divide each other, everyday fight. The royal ladies drop the flowers from the window, just like welcome. Look like Persian type carpet design. Persian type carpet design.
4 in 1.
You see my finger shadow here? See my finger shadow on the marble?
No.
Here this is a appear. This is time here. 11, 15, 30, 45, 46, 47, 49. Janta means remember? Instrument. Manta means calculation. Nadi Valaya Uttar Gola. So this is for summer season, other side, winter season. By help of this instrument, we can find out local time of Jaipur city. Our watches may be wrong. That instrument never wrong. No sun, no time. After sunset, from this point, you put on the ice like this. Jai means Jai Singh, name of the king, who is the founder of the Jaipur city palace, 5 Jantar Mantar by him. Horoscope sign, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Leo, Capricorn, Libra, 12 months. 1 month is the one sign. Mughal gave the title Savai, 1 and quarters. All instruments made by Raja, by himself. So now this instrument locked. Now that time part of the India, now separate. In Hindi, Hurka. He played the polo match, then heart attack on the ground. Cost of the carpet now depend on the size. How many knot per square inch? Here, 1,000 knot per square inch. He was 7 feet tall, more than 2 meters, 4 feet chest, 4 feet. Weight 225 kg. Look at handle made of gold. Yeah, never better here. Dress is very heavy. Makeup, 7 kg ornament, gold and silver. Queen never walk. Always in the wheelchair. 35 kg, heavy. And this is called in Hindi Qatar. In English, dagger. Different type knife here. Inside beautiful building that is called Jal Mahal.
Just the name.
Yeah, Jal means the water. By the king of Jaipur, Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh, 1795 AD. And that was summer palace of the late royal family. Rajasthan we have no river. First made a building, after made an artificial lake. Source of the water of the rainwater. And beautiful terrace garden, 200 years old terrace garden. Like a nice picture of here beautiful view of the fort, sir. And so now we are Climb up by the steps.
Sungate.
Producer. Look at those size heavy also. Whole palace here, this is called, sir, Amber Palace. As I told you, Amber Palace surrounded by the hills, Aravalli Mountains. Look at on the hill, boundary wall, watchtowers, length of the wall 11 kilometers. Look like mini China wall. This fort is made by 3 generations up to 100 years with the fort. Name of the king, Raja Jaisin I and Savai Jaisin II. Mansingh I was commander-in-chief in Mughal army. 400 years ago, his sister is married with Akbar Jodabai. Savai Jaisin II was the last king of the Amer who decided change capital Amer to Jaipur in 1727 AD. Amer town is 1000 years old. Amber Fort 450 years old. Jaipur city less than 300 years old. And that place known as Darbar Hall, Public Audience Hall. It was built by the king of Jaipur of architecture, Hindu and Islamic, because his sister married with Akbar Jodabai. So look at every pillar at the top. So you see the elephant trunk? Elephant trunk is the Hindu. The bottom, the leaves and flowers, Islamic pattern. All the pillars are made out with a single piece of the white marble. The red sandstones come from Jodhpur, sir. And that was billiard room with the king for the billiards. You know the game billiards? Little beautiful gate, sir, that is called Ganesh Pole, because it has picture of the Lord Ganesha, roof of a door, elephant god. Pole, remember? Pole means gate. Rice and rivers. Natural colors. In Jaipur, we still use the natural colors. We are going to see how they made the printing. We still use the natural colors. We are going to see how they make. Beautiful door here. Door is made of brass, not solid. Brass plated. Sir, highlight. Madam, wait. Look at ceiling. Beautiful ceiling. Natural colors. And 24 karat gold here. You see the gold? Come this way. Sir, look at ceiling. 24 karat gold. Never retouched. Look like Persian type carpet design. Persian type carpet design. Going to see the shooting of the Mughal Azam made there. So beautiful view from here. Take some pictures, gardens, and Sheesh Mahal, the Mirror Palace.
Should go artificial. No perfuming. Se coule katla.
From the indigo plants. White marble, black marble, and so beautiful door here. Inner door is made of sandalwood. 350 years old, sir. Wheelchair for the queen. Olden times, sir. Dresses of the queen very heavy, 9 kg. Makeup, 7 kg ornament, gold and silver. 4 very big size. The queen never walked. Always in the wheelchair. This is natural air cooling system without electricity. The roof of this building, there is 2 water tanks. Scented water, rose water come from top in this slope. That slope connected into the water tank. Summertime very hot here. May, June, July's temperature go up to 51 degrees. So that time all the royal family members sit together and feed, touch the water. Them more relief. So this is natural air cooling system without electricity. Made of sandalwood and white one ivory, sir. Same pattern, same design, you can find out in the garden. Same pattern made in garden, sir. Now we are going to see ladies' apartment that is called sir Mansingh Palace. Remember sir Mansingh or not? As I told you, Mansingh first he had officially 12 wives. Watch your head, please. Sir, after sunset, put on the candle here. Modern time, use the electricity. That time, no electricity, sir. Again, sir, mind your head, watch your head here. Here, sir, this is oldest part of this fort, known as Mansingh Palace.
Mansingh.
King of Jaipur, Raja Mansingh I, who was commander-in-chief in Mughal army 400 years ago. His sister is married with Akbar. King of Amir, Mansingh I, he had officially 12 wives. So these are the 12 separate palaces for each wife. All the rooms are made of same size, same design. Like here, this is palace number 1st. Beautiful here, dining hall here. And now we are going to the bedroom with windows. Now all the windows closed, but not very clean. So just see from outside and go inside also. Not clean, no bed is close. Bedroom and makeup room made of same size. Bathtub. So whole part separate for the one wife like this. 11 more rooms, same size, same design. Yes, sir. 3 of front side, sir. 3 rooms. 2 left hand side. 2 right hand side. Three left hand side, sir. 3 right hand side. Each side the 3 rooms. Sir, in the middle, common place for royal ladies. Talk to each other. Not every day. In the year, 10 times. Any function, festival time.
Only.
Otherwise, all the secret
Separate.
divide each other. Every day fight. Come this side, sir. 4 side. Secret passes. Remember, as I told you, 12 tunnels for each room. King Geda wanted room number 1st. He was come to the secret passage into the room. Others, 11 queens, didn't know where is king, otherwise jealousy. Balconies. For that time, ladies guards watching ladies' apartment. From here, you see the all 12 separate rooms. Now I made the video. View, sir, lovely view. Beautiful lake and garden. Middle of the garden. Start at the Mughal. Left hand side, Amber town here. On the top, nobody allowed. Otherwise, beautiful view of the town. Down on the hill, boundary wall, watchtowers, female servant quarters.
This one.
Yeah,
Female?
Servant.
servant quarters. And this is called balconies. Olden time, the royal ladies could not allow them outside. So all the activities, walking from here. Sir, remember this part? Welcome Palace. As I told you, whenever king enters the gate, the royal ladies drop the flowers from the window, just like welcome.
आइए मैम.
Look at this side. Look at my finger here, sir. Shape of the star.
तो देखो.
You see the star? Star is the flowers. Again, find combination. and start. And after this, we are going to see the best part of the fort. So beautiful view from here. Take some pictures, gardens, and Sheesh Mahal, the Mirror Palace.
Should go artificial. Should go artificial. No perfuming. Se kule katla.
Look like Persian type carpet design. Persian type carpet design. Palace, this is called Sheesh Mahal. Written in Hindi, Sheesh Mahal. Sheesh means glass, mirror. Mahal means palace. Mirror Palace it was built by the king of Jaipur, Mirza Raja Jai Singh I in 1639 AD. Look at beautiful ceiling. All the mirrors import from the Belgium. With the silver polish. After sunset, put on the candle here. Reflection of the candle, put on the mirrors. Look like the stars in the ceiling. First part here, this is called Diwan Khas, the hall of the private audience. King, VIPs and ministers talk to each other. Common people not allowed here. And second part, dance in courtyard of the late royal family. Third part, sir, beautiful door over there. That was winter bedroom. Other side, summer bedroom. This side here, winter bedroom. Highlight, beautiful ceiling. All of us, please, stand together here on the step. Single piece of the white marble, beautiful carving on the marble, 400 years ago, done by the iron tool. Here, these two, sir, butterfly. You see the butterfly? Made of the white marble with the black marble. What is this, sir? Elephant ear. You see the elephant ear? What is this? What is this, sir?
Snake.
Yeah, head of the cobra head, sir. What is this whole thing? Scorpion. Sunflower. Fish tail. 4 in 1. Elephant ear. Elephant tongue.
Elephant tongue. Snake.
Snake.
Scorpion.
Sunflower.
Oh, sunflower.
Fish tail.
Yes.
4 in 1. Done by the hand. Hand polish, sir. You also touch the hand. Very smooth. These astronomical observatories, literally called in Hindi Janta Mantar. Here, and they are in the different cities like Delhi, Mathura, Banaras, Ujjain, and Jaipur. And this was built in the year 1728. This is largest Janta Mantar, all of them. By help of this instrument, we can find out sun is on the which horoscope, Gemini, Leo, Capricorn. So now this instrument locked. You know why the lock? The kids play the instrument. So we have different instruments we are going to see. Red one, white one, this is called standstones. Yantaras. There are many stars in the sky, the sum of them gives more light than other. By help of this instrument, we can find out name of the stars night time by help of old telescope. Middle in the bold line going there, that is straight line, that is the equator line 0. Look like circle is the North Pole. Longitudes and these lines are latitudes. And that is a blackboard for calculation. This is Jantar. And that is, Jantar means, remember, instrument. Manta means calculation. Instrument, we have very good astrologer here. Palm reader, face reader. Nadi Valay Uttar Gola. This instrument has been divided two parts. Here this is A part, other side B part. A part is northern hemisphere. B part sir, southern hemisphere. From 22nd March up to 22nd September, sun is on northern hemisphere this side. And 24 September up to 20 March, sun is on southern hemisphere. Right now, sun is on northern hemisphere. So sun lighted this face. Other side complete dark. So this is for summer season. Other side, winter season. Winter season, after 24 September, sun is on winter. You can see no sunlight. This is called sundial. By help of this instrument, we can find out local time of Jaipur city. Indian standard time from Allahabad and Chennai. Allahabad time between Jaipur local time with a total difference 33 minutes. So we have to add 33 minutes in this local time, then we will get IST. Indian standard time. Our watches may be wrong. That instrument never wrong. No sun, no time. Look at come close, come this side please, come close. You see my finger shadow here? See my finger shadow on the marble?
No.
Here this is a appear. This is time here. 11, 15, 30, 45, 46, 47, 49. 49 plus 33. 49 plus 33, 50, 82 means 12, 22. See watch? 2, 22 past 12. That time, sir, 1728. Long time ago. Sun available there. After sunset, from this point, you put on the ice, sir, like this. After sunset, anytime from this point you can see North Star. North Star doesn't move in the skies. Always fixed, same place. That is called Urdu, Qutub Tara. Instrument is mentioned here. Jai Prakash Singh. Jai means Jai Singh. Name of the king, who is the founder of the Jaipur City Palace, 5 Jantar Mantar by him. Second word here, sir. Prakash, Hindi word. Prakash means light. Yant means machine-like instrument. This instrument has been divided two parts, A and B. Both are like this. Look at my finger here, sir. Complementary to each other. Half part here, half part on the side. And this is full horizon, 360 degrees. Middle in the center point, you see the iron plate in the center. So that is position of the sun. 1 hour shadow of this plate on the white marble. After 1 hour shadow of this plate on the gaps, these all the gaps other side. By help of this instrument, we horoscope sign, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Leo, Capricorn, Libra, 12 months. 1 month is the one sign. In Jaipur, we have very good astrologer, palm reader, face reader. But now sun is on cloudy. Right now sun is on Cancer. 21st of June up to 22nd of July, sun sign Cancer. Now born a baby in Jaipur, sun sign Cancer. Panchan. Made here. Panchan made here. Model of that instrument. Remember South Pole, North Pole? This instrument first made a model. Every instrument first made a model, after made a final version. This is the model of that instrument. So this is the model of that sundial, sir. First one, sir. Model of that sundial, and these are the 12 of the horoscope signs. Like Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Leo, Capricorn, Libra, Scorpio, like that. First we give you date of birth, time and place, then calculate by the astrologer, horoscope with past, future and finance. So please, all of us please stand together here. Mughal give the title Savai, 1 1/4. All instruments made by Raja, by himself. Inclination of the sun, not from the equator. But now this instrument locked. You know, by the lock, the kids sit here to play the instrument. Today about 18 degrees inclination of the sun south from the equator. These two parts A and B. This one A and B together here, sir. You read the Hindi, sir? Come in the front, sir, please. In Hindi language, Makar Rasi. See the top? Shadow of this plate on Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December. That day, longest night is the 14th night in our day. Bottom last line, Tropic of Cancer. Shadow will be here on 21st June. And that day, longest day, 14th night. And 12 o'clock, sir, midday, 12 noon, altitude of the sun. You know the altitude, sir? This, sir, sunrise, 0 degrees. Sunset, 0. Midday, highest angle, that is called altitude of the sun. These two model that instrument. So every instrument first made a model, after made a final. 99% believe in the force. शादी ब्याह छड़ा ना वो भरोसा में चलता है. This complemented to each other, half part here, half part on the side. By help of this instrument, we can find out altitude of the sun in Jaipur right now. But now sun is all cloudy. Suppose right now, shadow of this rod falling here. Written in Hindi here, 55, 56, 57.5. Altitude of the sun in Jaipur right now. So 1 hour, madam, shadow on the marble. After 1 hour, shadow displayed on the gaps here. These all the gaps other side. Half part here, half part other side. You can see the beautiful yellow building with flag. You see the flag? That is called the Moon Palace, 7-story building, it's still private. If only one flag is there, it means king is not in Jaipur. It means king is in city. That is the personal flag of the royal family with 5 colors, the colors. Blue, green, white, yellow and red. Yeah, 2 flags. And front side beautiful building that is called the Welcome Palace. It was the guest house. The royal guest used to stay in this building before the museum. When we enter inside, we do a picture here. Here, quilt cover, not quilt, quilt cover. Yeah. This one base material. 10 years. Panka purana hai. Beautiful pillow cover hai. In the middle, beautiful royal chest wine. A smoking pipe made of marble. That is called in Hindi hudka. Polo, very high class game, only rich people play the polo. Beautiful polo trophies. Look at here, from here, beautiful second picture, tall man. Second picture, sir. First picture, that picture. King of Jaipur, Sawai Man Singh II, he died in London, 1970. He played a polo match, then heart attack on the ground. Third wife of the Sawai Man Singh II, she died 9 years ago. Raj Mata Gayatri Devi. 95 years old, and she belonged from the Coach Bihar, eastern part of India, from the Kolkata. Polo ball. Monogram Rajasthan Polo Club. This one, summer polo. This is for winter. Winter polo. India. Race for billiards. You know the game billiards? Beautiful shops here. This one old chess. We have seen already the modern chess. This one old. Look at me. Old playing cards. Maharaja Sawai Madho Singh I. His name. He was 7 feet tall. More than 2 meters, 4 feet chest, 4 feet, weight 225 kg. Look at beautiful gown here. Look at pajama trouser. Gown, pajama. 7 feet tall, 4 feet chest, 225 kg weight. This is same thing. These all the prints done by these five blocks. 100 years old, look like new. This is cotton as well as silk, also the natural. This is called ondi. Ondi means covered the face. The weight of the dress altogether 9 kg. Olden time dress is very heavy. Makeup 7 kg ornament, gold and silver. So remember, as I told you number 4, dress is very heavy. Makeup 7 kg ornament, gold and silver. Queen never walk. Always is a wheelchair. Sarees, skirt, a pair of the soles, this is called jyoti, made of camel leather. Camel leather. Sir, beautiful picture here, King of Jaipur, Maharaja Savai Bhamani Singh. He died 14 years ago. Only one daughter, Princess Diya Kumari, Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan. Mother. Cost of the carpet not depend on the size. How many knot per square inch? Here, 1,000 knot per square inch. They are famous for the fabric, carpet, jets, painting, making. Here, nice photo of the silver containers. Look at gate, size, heavy also. Fitted on the elephant. Chandelier in India. First one you can see the Gwalior Palace. That time no electricity. Night time is the candles. 100 is the 5 candles. Night time for the light. The name of the king, Savai Madho Singh first. Remember or not? He was 7 feet tall, 4 feet chest. Weight how many kg? 225 kg. With gown and trouser. He had 9 wives, no kids. He was 39 years old and heart attack. Member of the Jal Mahal, Water Palace. These all the things done by the doctor. Hawa Mahal, Jal Mahal. Remember Jal Mahal? Yes. Water Palace. Handle made of gold. Yeah, never better here. Gold beautiful carvings. This one Thalpos, plate cover. Can you stand, madam? This is Thalpos, plate cover. Jaipur postage stamps here. Same chair, but before 1947 only one chair for Raja Singh. 76 when Prince Albert paid a visit to Jaipur.
Savai Raj Singh II.
Savai Ram Singh II, 1876. Sir, same picture we saw already, sir.
Already there.
Remember, first king of Jaipur city, the Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II, who is the founder of the Jaipur city. City name is Bhai Chandamanza by him. Maharaja Savai Isi Singh, third king of Jaipur city. Maharaja Savai Madho Singh first. He was 7 feet tall, 14 chest, 225 kg. He had 9 wives, no kids. He was 39 years old and heart attack. Yeah. Then he was built by Raja Man Singh first from Lahore.
Lahore.
Now that time part of the India, now separate. Cost of the carpet not depend on the size. How many knot per square inch? Here, 1000 knot per square inch. Life of the silk carpet, pashmina carpet, only 50 years. Life of the woolen carpet, like camel wool from Rajasthan. Sir, fine wool we import from the Australia. That is called merino sheep wool. Man, woman making the carpet. Buddha from Nepal. Medieval sword here. See. Armor. 35 kg, heavy. And this is called in Hindi katar. In English, dagger. Different type knife here. Different type weapons. Here, never fight before. Yes, beautiful daggers.
This is good. This is good. What you tell? This is good.
His sister married with the Atman Jodabai. That's why he never fight here. Tomorrow are going to Agra. Before the Agra, but they go simply. They are in Jodabai Palace. Beautiful daggers and handle of the sword. Handle of the sword, sir. On the big one, clock.